Welcome to our Magento 2 tutorials. Today we will learn how to create simple product using Magento 2 API. Create new post request and enter your store URL, along with this endpoint. First, generate access token using your admin username and password. Then create new post to add product using endpoint in the description. Copy the token and paste in authorization section. Enter product attribute. You can follow our sample code in the description. Then check your product in Magento dashboard. Go to Catalog, choose Products. Then search for your product. As you can see, the product is successfully created. I will leave the code details in the description. Let me know if you have any question in the comment below. Beehexa. Connecting applications, automating processing.